My name is Emanuella and I'm here with
Chioma.
Okay. So tell us over here.
We are here to do some Chinese and English content.
Okay,
Yeah.
clock it. Let's
Clock
start.
it.
So see, let's make it interesting.
Okay, yeah.
You ask me something to say Igbo and I'll ask you something to say Chinese.
Okay.
Makes sense.
Yeah.
Make I disgrace myself.
Yeah. Okay.
All right.
Ella, can you please tell me one Igbo proverb? You know.
I don't know. I know something, but I'm going to remember.
Think.
Something is something in my ballet, na ballet. Something like that. You know what I'm trying to say?
In my banana.
Something like that. Scratch that.
Oh yeah.
You same question you asked me. Tell me what parable in Chinese.
Okay, we have 不到长城. Oh, 不到长城非好汉.
What does that mean?
It means if you have not been to Chinese war, you are not yet man enough.
Oh, in here
So like, yeah. 不到长城
不到长城
非好汉.
非好汉 不到长城非好汉
Yeah.
I'm good at this.
Yeah,
Okay.
Yeah, you got
I think I remember now. I remember one parable. It says there's something like what an old person can
okay,
see.
you okay, you know na.
Nenu. No,
No.
You guys see me. No worry, leave it.
Ihe okay no na nafu. Nwatari enu omafu ya.
Oh yeah.
No.
Tell me how to say I am beautiful in Chinese.
我太漂亮了.
Oh, 我太漂亮了. I'm so beautiful.
No, say it very well. Say 我太漂亮了. Yeah.
我太漂亮了. 我太漂亮了.
Yeah.
Let me see.
Okay.
Ha.
So, you want to say it again?
In Igbo.
In Igbo.
Uma makarama, machama. I'm very beautiful.
Hey,
Amaka.
Ella.
Like this.
No, let me tell you how you say it perfect. Say Amakam.
Amakam.
Yes.
Amakam like 5 people.
Yes. Amamakam say. Say it.
Amakam like madu say.
Amaramma say.
Amaramma like madu say.
No put like. Amaramma ka.
Hey, Amaramma ka madu say.
Hey.
Oh, yo.
Igbo don't
Children
na level nya Oh yeah, okay. What do you want to know again?
I don't know. Oh yeah, ask me.
Okay, let me ask you. Wait. Let me ask you. Okay, how do we say? Gee, I'm not seeing Jugo.
Hey, Jugo.
They are starstruck.
Give us expo. Give us essay.
They are starstruck.
Give us expo.
Na kwa ya amala mma ya so ya na.
Okay. Hey, you put one here now. Okay, how do we say my Igbo attire is very beautiful?
Akwam Igbo.
No.
Wait. I'll say it. Akwam yeri like this.
What like this?
Okay. Akwam yeri na home. Oh, makachata mma like this.
Yeah.
Machata mma. Makasewe ya.
Like I'm going to give up. Neki esi wekwe. Akwa Igbo anyi mara mma.
Akwa ihe anyị.
Jesus. Akwa Igbo anyi.
Akwa Igbo anyị
mara mma.
Akwa Igbo anyị mara mma.
Yes. Clock it.
How do you say that in Chinese?
Okay.
How do you say clock it in Chinese? What's clock?
Yeah, Baramuka. You might not get like some slangs on social media.
But what is clock in Chinese? Clock. Actual clock.
Wait. Shobiao.
Shobia, what is it in Chinese?
Not to
Shobi
eat food.
chi.
No.
Not eat.
What?
IT.
Eh?
Eat. IT, not EAT.
Okay, IT.
Yeah. Ta. So clock is what?
Clock is not that clock. Not that clock.
Clock?
Yeah, clock we are talking about.
What is the
time.
clock?
What's
Yeah.
normal clock now?
Normal, like to clock it.
No. Normal clock.
Shobiao.
Then
Biao,
it
yeah.
is what?
Ta.
Shobia ta. Shobia ta.
Biao. No. You can't use it like that. It's wrong.
I mean, it's clock.
Ta shobia.
Biao.
Shobia ta.
No.
Last one.
Okay, last one is you that we ask.
What does your names mean in the other language? So,
In Igbo, what does your name mean
in Chinese.
No, it
First
can
of all,
never.
what's
It can
her
never.
name?
Yes, it's
What's her
different.
name?
What's her name? What's her name?
Chioma.
What does it
What
mean in
does it
English? In English first.
In English, it's good God.
So what does good God mean in China?
It doesn't like China answers
A different
a
name, like
different
small
thing,
land,
yeah,
like
like
something
trees,
like
like something.
So
Is
they
there
don't
a
have-
God?
Yeah, they have
What
like
do they call God?
Shandi.
God is Chanti.
Shandi.
Then what is good?
How?
How
Shandi.
Chanti?
But you can't call somebody
How?
Shandi.
Shand how?
No, we
Shandi.
didn't say it's going to. The meaning is supposed to sound like a name in Chinese. We meant what does it just mean?
Okay.
So
Shandi.
good
How?
God.
You mean how Shandi?
Now, how
Yeah.
Shandi?
Yeah,
Hi,
how
how
Shandi.
Oh,
So
that's
mine
one.
is
Oh, yeah.
in English is God is with us.
God is with us.
In Igbo is what?
In Igbo is what?
Chuku kadi with ayin.
Hey, no.
Wait. Chuku di.
God is Chukwu binyere anyị.
Chuku binyere anyị.
Living with us. Chukwu binyere anyị.
Chuku binyere anyị.
Good.
Or Chuku binyere na mmụọ.
Or Chukwu binyere m.
Chuku binyere m.
Yes.
Oh yeah, no.
Yeah.
Asụbụla m ya. Oh yeah, na. Asị onye kere Sọni ekele ya. Oh yeah.
That's what you
That's the slang I've used though. Onye kele Sọni ekele ya.
That's what you be. That's what you be.
I sign out.
On to us.
Peace. Clucky.
Bye.